So this is just a quick video to make sure everybody's game is up to speed. In this video, let's see which scene I have. Yeah, I added the new controllers and this reticle here. You can see when I hit on my rug, I change that so when I teleport, I can tell when I'm something I'm going to be teleporting on. So everyone, I don't care which um, controller you picked, as long as you changed it. So let's see what we did on the rig. We just went to the assets, course library, prefabs, and I think it's VR right down here. And there's the hands. So any one you want to choose is fine. These we actually put on our origin. So we actually put these, where did we drop them? They are, oh, my mistake. Of course, they're on the controllers. So we just drag them into your the left one on the left-hand controller, and this is the left, and this is the right. And then the right one on the right-hand controller. So to get them changed, any one of these you want, and then going back on the reticles, we put these on the things we want to actually have changed. And I put mine on my prefab, so it went to all of them right there. So you can put them, remember, just go to your first one, which is your prefab, and open it up, and then you can drop it in there and change it. Or you can drag them all in individually if you want also. This is, I think I showed this last time, I created an empty create empty here, and then that's a right click, create empty, and then name it, and then drag all your things inside to keep this thing clean. And you know, I'm going to make I'll have something called furniture. So right click, create empty, furniture, and I'm going to drag in there. And I could one thing called background too if I wanted to, but you can see that's a lot cleaner than having a lot of other stuff inside here. Anyway, we're going to start picking stuff up this week, so make sure you're up to speed. And I think a few of may have spring break this week, so I won't overdo it, but we'll still get some things done.